Hey guys, I just wanted to post another video. This time it's on my old Farmall tractor. Um, I can't leave well enough alone, so I wanted it to be a little quieter. I wanted it to be a little lower so I can cut grass under trees and stuff like that. So I found a guy who does exhaust work on the side. I don't want to throw his name out because he may not want that. I have not got permission to do that, but I will show his work because it's pretty cool. The old exhaust came up out of this hole straight up, and it stuck up about 3 foot. The new exhaust comes down, it stays under the hood, comes down and around all the way down to here, and then it comes out back here in the back. Give you guys a little quick demo on what it sounds like. I don't know if you can hear that, but that is a quiet tractor.